Welcome to the VISCOM booth here at SMT-AI. I'm delighted to be joined by the new president and CEO of the company. To my left we have the president, which is Ed Moll. Ed, we've known each other for a long time, but you're now president and responsible for the sales side, correct?
That's correct, yes. Okay.
And then to my right we have Jesper, Lykke, who is the CEO and responsible more for the engineering.
Yes, that is absolutely correct.
Right. Okay, great. Well, gentlemen, we're here to talk today about the S3088 Ultra Chrome machine. Mm-hmm. What is different about this machine from the previous version?
This machine, unlike one of the previous versions, is that this one has 8-angle cameras and a top-down camera and also 3D. So it combines 3 technologies basically, and it makes out for the perfect inspection of the whole board, defect detection basically.
Right, okay, so basically it's a step and repeat process. It takes 9 photographs essentially each time.
Each time, and it's by using this technique we have shadow-free inspection. Okay. And also what's called the 360 view, because we can view images, we can look at features that are on the sides of components.
So you can rotate the image, the board round to any angle, so that you can look at defects or potential defects
yes.
from any position.
Yes, because it's acquiring all these images in each field of view. We're collecting 65 megapixels of information in each field of view, which is a lot of data, but it allows a very clear 3D reconstruction.
Okay, so Jesper, tell us some of the technical specs on this in terms of field of view, accuracy, etc.
Yeah, it's a 40 by 40 millimeters field of view, and accuracy is the same as it has been.
10 micron?
Yes, so 10 micron, yes, but that's a resolution. That has nothing to do with accuracy. That's more, let's say, the detailed features that you can be looking at. So other than that, I mean, it's more information to the operator, and the operator would then have a clear view. So the more lifelike images that the operator can see after the fact is obviously helpful for let's say, the right judgment call, whatever the machine calls out. So the machine, obviously, with all this information, will be able to detect all the defects. And defect detection, as everybody knows, is what we stand for. So we are very reliable in that regards, of course. So yeah, that would absolutely help.
Great. So Ed, tell me a little bit about, you can do, obviously, coplanarity inspection, lifted leads. Yes. What other types of defects can you pick up?
Well, we can pick up lifted leads that are non-wetted because of the technology that we're using. And we do a combination of angle view cameras and the 3D inspection. Okay. The height, we can do up to 32 millimeters of height. Many of the AOI machines are restricted to 20 millimeters, but because we use a digital projector, it's infinitely variable, so we can do the full range up to 30 millimeters.
Okay. Interesting. Yeah. And what about, I mean, one of the hardest defects out there at the moment is head and pillow. Are you able to detect these?
Yeah, so when you talk about head and pillow on optical inspection, AOIs and NOx X-ray, then yes, with our angle of view and combined with the 3D, we're absolutely able to find head and pillow. So anybody can find, either with 3D or angle of view, any pins that stands up at a 45-degree angle, but as you say, head and pillow, those are the ones that's hard to detect. And most 3D systems alone would have problems detecting that, whereas if you combine it with an angle of view camera and a 3D, then you will catch it for sure.
But VISCOM obviously does X-ray as well.
Yes,
so
absolutely.
You can combine these technologies if you need to look in a bit further.
Yes, absolutely. So we have, as everybody knows, a combo machine that has both the everything 3D AOI, but also 3D AXI, and that's all combined in one machine. So you basically get best things from both worlds kind of thing. So certain things you can see with the optical inspection, as in text on top of component, which is obviously not doable with an X-ray. And then, as you say, with BGAs, of course, you can look through the component, and then with that combined 3D AXI, you'll be able to find head and pillows and things like that, yes.
Right, okay. So, final question, Ed. Obviously with 9 cameras, there's a lot of computing power needed for that. Yes. How do you deal with that?
The data acquisition is 3.5 gigabytes of data acquisition we're moving per second. We're doing that through a fiber optic cable, which is the only way we can move that much data.
Right. Yeah, absolutely. So you're using pretty strong computing power, but you're using fiber optics to get it from the cameras down.
Yes.
Excellent, great. Well, VISCOM's always known for bringing out very high quality products. I want to.
We like to think so.
Yeah. So I want to thank you both for joining me today.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Joining us
Jesper.
today.